How to fix YouTube Playables not working. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So here's how you can troubleshoot YouTube Playables. So first, you need to update the YouTube application. Make sure that you have the latest and newest version of Android 18.33 and iOS 14 Plus or the current web browser. Go ahead and open Play Store if you're using Android and App Store if you're using any iOS devices. Go ahead, search for YouTube. And if you see an update button instead of open, something like this, go ahead and tap on it to update it to its latest and newest version available. Another thing you can do is you can go ahead and use any web browser on your device. Search for youtube.com/playables. Playables might appear on the website before they show up in the mobile app. Open your YouTube application and find Playables in the Explorer tab or your home feed or the U tab and enable experimental features. Go to YouTube, tap on the settings or the gear icon in the top. Now from this page, tap on Try Experimental New Features. Another thing you can do is you can try clearing the app's cache in your Android or iOS devices. So go ahead, tap and hold onto the YouTube application, tap on the eye icon in the top, scroll down and go to Storage and then click on Clear Cache. If that does not work, uninstall and then reinstall the YouTube application. Also check for availability. Playables aren't being released gradually around the world. They might not be available for your account or in your region yet. So you can just wait for it to release in your region. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.